If you want an easy way to keep your thoughts, goals, memories, and daily reflections organized, Evernote is a fantastic tool for creating a digital journal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a digital journal with Evernote step by step, so by the end, you'll have a clean system you can actually use every single day. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple software tutorials, and let's jump right in. First, open the Evernote desktop app on your Windows or Mac computer. Once it loads, look at the left sidebar and click on Notebooks. This is where Evernote keeps all of your note collections organized. Now click the New Notebook button. You'll usually see a notebook icon with a plus sign. And this is where we're going to create your journal space. Give your notebook a clear name like My Digital Journal, Daily Journal, or anything that makes sense to you. A simple name helps you find it quickly later, especially if you plan to keep multiple notebooks for different parts of your life. Now that your journal notebook is ready, the next step is to build a template. This is one of the best parts of using Evernote because instead of staring at a blank page every day, you can use a structure that guides your writing. To do that, create a new note inside your journal notebook. Give it a title like Daily Journal Template. Then start laying out the sections you want to repeat each day. For example, you might add today's date, what am I grateful for, top 3 priorities, daily highlights, mood or reflections. You can keep it very simple or make it as detailed as you want. As you build a note, use Evernote's formatting tools to make it easier to read. You can bold section titles, use bullet points, add checkboxes, or separate each section with spacing so everything looks clean. The goal is to create a layout that makes journaling feel fast and natural, not complicated. If you want a really effective journaling format, try writing prompts that help you capture both your day and your mindset. That way, your journal becomes more than just a diary. It becomes a tool for reflection, planning, and personal growth. Once your layout is complete, click the More Actions button in the top right corner of the note. This is usually the 3-dot menu. From there, select Save As Template. Saving your journal as a template means you can reuse the same format anytime without rebuilding it from scratch. This is a huge time saver, especially if you want to journal. Click the plus button to create a new note. Title the note with today's date, like July 15th, 2026, so each entry is easy to search and reference later. Then open the Templates button, or the Template Gallery, and choose your daily journal template. Evernote will insert your saved format instantly, and now you can start writing your entry, filling your thoughts for the day, answer your prompts, and write whatever is on your mind. You can also make your journal more personal by dragging and dropping photos, screenshots, or audio files into the note. That means your digital journal can hold not just words but memories too. If you traveled somewhere, worked on a project, or had an important moment during the day, you can attach those details right into the entry. If you want to take this a step further, Evernote can also automate daily notes for you. This is optional, but it's incredibly useful if you want journaling to become a real habit. Go to Settings by clicking your profile name in the upper left corner. Then open Preferences. In the Templates section, look for the option that says Automatically Create a Note each day. Turn that on. Then select your daily journal template from the drop-down menu. After that, make sure the Place Notes in field is set to your My Digital Journal notebook. This way, Evernote can generate a fresh note every day and keep everything organized in one place. And that's it. You now know how to create a digital journal with Evernote, build a reusable template, start daily entries, and even automate the process so journaling becomes effortless. This is a simple but powerful way to stay organized, reflect on your life, and build a consistent writing habit. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to get more organized with Evernote. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.